Hello everyone, I'm going to explain about my project called Geospatial Data Retrieval. In today's digital world, almost everything is connected to location, from navigation apps that guide us through traffic to satellite systems that track weather patterns. Geospatial data plays a major role in how we understand and interact with the world. This article explores what geospatial data retrieval means, how it works, and some real-life examples that shows its importance. What is geospatial data? Geospatial data is information linked to a specific location on Earth. It tells us where something is and often includes coordinates like latitude and longitude. Here we come with example. GPS coordinates of your phone, satellite images of cities and farmlands, map showing roads, rivers and boundaries, environmental data like temperature or rainfall of a region. Simply put, geospatial data means data plus location. What is geospatial data retrieval? Geospatial data retrieval is the process of collecting, searching, and extracting location-based data from various sources such as satellites, sensors, and geodatabases. Whenever you open Google Maps and search restaurants near me, the system retrieves geospatial data, locations of restaurants around you, and displays them on the map. Here we come to algorithm. Input of location. Here we give input such as city names like Hyderabad and Makagiri, and all, or GPS coordinates. Select the data sources such as satellites or OpenStreetMap. Formulate a spatial query. For examples, we have find the hospitals near me around 5 kilometers radius or restaurants near me. Anything. Retrieve the data. Collect the relevant map features or images. Filter and refine. Here we remove unnecessary or duplicate data. At last, we visualize the results like in the form of maps or dashboards. Coming to pseudocode on this geospatial data retrieval. Here we give input as location name, data type, and radius. Location name like city name or region name. Data type such as hospitals, schools, flood zone. Radius, whether we want to search the distance in kilometers or meters. Coming to output, spatial map or filter data. Define the area of interest using location like latitude and longitude. Connected to a geospatial data sources, OpenStreetMap or satellite database. Retrieve spatial database data based on data types. If radius is given, then take user's central point. Create a circular buffer of radius in meters. Select all features that falls under the buffer. Filter the results. Remove duplicates or unwanted attributes. Visualize the data. Plot boundaries, features, and buffer area of the display or store the results. Here we can see some real life examples. Retrieving satellites remains for flood monitoring. Here we take region as Assam, which comes under data range, class 7 SQL, process query a satellite database. Retrieval, get NDVI and water coverage data. Output, map shown flooded areas versus dry areas. User in disaster response to estimated affected zones. Retrieving nearby hospitals using geospatial data. Here we take input as Hyderabad, India, radius 5 kilometers. Query OpenStreetMap to get hospital data from for Hyderabad. Uses a user GPI moment. Assemble. Create a 5 kilometer location. Select all the hospitals within the buffer. Retrieval. Yes, sir. Get hospital coordinates from OpenStreetMap. Filter those lies on 5 kilometers radius. Here we can see our user location is shown in blue color. Hospitals are shown in red color. The radius is shown in green color with dotted lines. Using emergency response and navigation system to find best hospital. Here we see our code. These are the inputs used in my code. Coming to GeoPandas, handles maps and locate the data. Coming to OpenStreetMap, brings map data from OpenStreetMap. Library is used to plot the maps. This point is used to fetch the user location. Here we define the input like city name or region name. Here we plot the boundaries around the city. These two lines tells about Retrieval hospital within the city from OpenStreetMap. This is the user location. These two lines converts the distance to meters for calculation. Here we circle the 5 kilometer radius. These are the results where red where red colors are hospital. Location is blue and 5 kilometers radius is shown in green. At last, we found how many hospitals are there in near the user. Here we can see this is the user location which is shown in blue color. These are the hospitals near the user which comes under 5 kilometers radius. This is the 5 kilometers radius which is represented in dotted line. Here we take our location near SNR is in Calgary. Last, we come to conclusion. These are the tools used QGIS for spatial analysis, Google's Earth Engine for satellite imagery, MongoDB for storing spatial data, Python libraries like GeoPandas, OpenStreetMap, Retrieval, and Shaping. Coming to conclusion, geospatial data retrieval helps us understanding our world through the lens of location. It powers technologies we use every day, navigating apps, disaster monitoring systems, and smart city planning tools. As data grows and technology advances, geospatial intelligence will continue to shape the future of how do we live, move, and protect our planet. Thank you for listening.